welcome to Small World Tech. Today I bring to you the hAP Mini by Mikrotik. This is an amazing little router. It has a full capability of the Mikrotik RouterOS, which if you're comfortable with network configurations is amazing, in a tiny package with very small power draw. The hAP Mini is a small 2 GHz wireless access point for home or small offices. It has 3 ports, which are configured as 1 internet port and 2 LAN ports, but can be reconfigured as desired using the powerful RouterOS configuration options. The unit is powered by a micro USB and measures only 8 cm tall. Even with its small size, the hAP Mini is still quite powerful as it uses a QCA9533 CPU, just like the bigger units in the widely successful hAP series. So let me open it up and let's take a look at this little guy. Okay, so here you can see this is the little Mikrotik hAP Mini. As I mentioned earlier, it only measured at about 8 cm tall. There you can see the 3 Ethernet ports, the one for internet and the other 2 which are set up in a LAN bridge. Unit has your reset button underneath along with your mode button. This will allow you to put it into an AP mode or a standard router mode. Then, as you can see, it comes with a little 5V mini USB power connector. Nice thing with this is the little 5V USB. You could run this off your laptop, connect it to the back of your TV and power it off any device really that has a USB port capable of giving an output of 5V. In a later video, what I'll do is a small basic user setup with the hAP Mini. This would be for a user that's never used a Mikrotik router and is not all that tech savvy, but just a very straightforward, easy setup which will be covered in a following video. A nice little idea that I thought of with the Mikrotik router is, as I say, you could use it as a small little home router. Another cool option that you could do with it is it also makes a fantastic travel router that can be configured with a VPN tunnel and then allow you to connect it to your home or office network. Another idea with this little guy, I would say, is take say several of these. I mean, if you put them into a mesh and configure them, you could build a nice home or small size office network. It has 2.4 GHz only, which provides better speed and coverage than many of the other mesh solutions that cost roughly $100 plus per radio. The only thing that would make this router better is if Mikrotik made maybe a 5 GHz version or a multi-band version of this router in the same form factor. But you know, for the price, you can't really complain. It's a really cool little device. It's light, pocket size. But yeah, as I say, I will do a follow-up video with just a basic configuration of the unit and show a basic home user how to set one of these up. And then in the coming weeks, I'll do some more in-depth videos with other routers, other Mikrotik routers, and go into a few more in-depth configurations for more advanced users, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, thanks for watching. It is a short little video, but as I mentioned, it is just a small unboxing just for those out there that want to have a look and see what the hAP Mini looks like and maybe something that they might be considering buying. As I say, this is a small nifty little device depending on what you want to use it for. Basic home use, perfect. Portability for if you're on travel is also perfect. Maybe for a more advanced home user that has a lot more devices, you might want something a little bit stronger, which I'll cover in later videos. But for the price, the size, and it comes with full RouterOS, you really can't complain. It's an awesome little router. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button below and I'll make sure I follow up with some more videos in the coming weeks.